17 Court Watch now. The trial of Leslie Chance, accused of murdering her husband more than 6 years ago, continued today. The plan was for the evidentiary portion of the trial to end today, but Chance's attorney recalled Leslie Chance herself to the stand. 17's Vanessa Dillon joining us live from outside the courthouse downtown with the details on the developments for today. Vanessa?
Good evening, Tammy. Well, Chance's testimony was supposed to wrap up yesterday, but plans quickly changed after Chance's attorney, Tony Lidgett, asked her to go through the evidence that has been used against her throughout this trial. An afternoon meant to focus on the prosecution's rebuttal evidence took a turn after the defense called the defendant, Leslie Chance, to the witness stand for the third day. The prosecution showed Chance, a former principal, photos of her office at Fairview Elementary School in 2013. They were taken days after her husband's death on August 25th, 2013. Chance testified there were family photos in her office at the time, but the prosecution says none of them were of Todd. Defense attorney Tony Lidgett went over the series of photos as well, attempting to show the jury there were objects in her office connected to her husband. At one point, Chance teared up as she talked about her former assistant at the elementary school. Chance said the images sparked memories as she began to think about how her life used to be. Another witness called this morning was David Cotter. He worked for the truck company Todd was employed with in 2013. Cotter said Todd was one of his employees, testifying he found out about Todd's death on August 26th, the day after Todd was killed. He said he called Leslie as soon as he found out, expressing how sorry he was to hear about her loss, adding her response to his condolences was to ask about returning Todd's company belongings. He testified she had a business-like tone. The conversation was made just 24 hours after she learned her husband had been killed. The evidentiary portion of this trial has concluded today. The trial is set to take a break tomorrow and Monday. Closing arguments are set to begin on Tuesday. Reporting in downtown Bakersfield, I'm Vanessa Dillon, 17 News.